two giants in the sales funnel world, but when it comes down to it, which platform gives you the edge, ThriveCart or ClickFunnels? On one side, we have ThriveCart, known for its simple, one-time pricing and conversion-focused tools. On the other, the powerhouse ClickFunnels, famous for its all-in-one funnel builder and feature-rich platform. Let's forget the marketing hype for a minute and dive right into what matters. We'll score each feature head-to-head, so at the end you'll know which platform truly stands out. And trust me, the winner is closer than you think. Okay, before we go any deeper, let's just get a lay of the land. Here's the mind map of categories we'll look at, cause let's be real, there's a lot going on with these platforms. We'll cover pricing, core focus, funnel building, integrations, automation and CRM, membership and course features, ease of use, conversion optimization, and community and support. So yeah, get comfy. Let's kick off with something everyone cares about: pricing. So ThriveCart is honestly kind of legendary for their one-time fee. You pay once, especially if you catch it during one of their promos, and that's it. No recurring monthly bills haunting you forever. Now, upfront, the price can feel a little steep, but if you're playing the long game, it's a pretty sweet deal. Switching over to ClickFunnels, you're looking at a monthly situation anywhere from like $97 up to $297 a month. If you want the full feature set, you've gotta be at the higher tiers, which can add up fast. Sure, monthly flexibility is nice, but honestly, ThriveCart definitely wins when it comes to saving you money down the line. Next, let's talk about core focus. ThriveCart is all about optimizing your checkout, super streamlined, really fast pages just focused on getting people to pay. There's not a ton of room for fancy funnel customization, but what's there is really, really solid if you just want to sell. ClickFunnels, meanwhile, is the full funnel package. You can build out entire flows, host your pages, automate the follow-ups, you name it. Only thing, the checkout experience itself just isn't as streamlined as what ThriveCart pulls off. The winner here? Yup, ThriveCart's laser focus takes it. Alright, now for funnel building, which is, honestly, where ClickFunnels starts flexing. So ThriveCart does let you throw in order bumps and some basic funnel stuff, and you can even hook it up with other funnel builders like, ironically, ClickFunnels. But their actual funnel builder? It's pretty basic, not gonna lie, but ClickFunnels? Dude, it's like a playground for funnel nerds. You got this drag-and-drop builder, all sorts of sales funnels, landing pages, webinars, opt-ins, seriously, more than 20 ready-to-go templates. Only downside, if you're brand new, all those features can feel overwhelming. Still, ClickFunnels totally owns this category. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. ThriveCart actually integrates directly with ClickFunnels, so like, if you want best-in-class checkout and super flexible funnels, you can totally use both together and kinda get the best of both worlds. Wild, right? Moving on to integrations, ThriveCart is solid here. You get email integrations like ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, MailChimp, stuff like that. Payments, Stripe, PayPal, and for membership sites, platforms like Teachable and Thinkific. Plus, if you want to get fancy, there's Zapier. Only thing missing is deep webinar integrations. Over on ClickFunnels' side, you've got everything from email to membership, CRM tools, webinar platforms, plus their own email automation if you pony up for a higher plan. Webhooks and API stuff too, but I mean, again, you'll need the pro plans for the best stuff. At the end of the day, both these platforms crush it on the integrations front, so let's just call this one a tie. Now, automations and CRM. With ThriveCart, you do get a built-in affiliate system and can automate a bunch with Zapier, so there's some real power. But there's no real CRM or like deep email automation built in. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, goes all out. Built-in CRM for all your leads, Actionetics for crazy email automations, smart segmenting based on where people are in your funnel. It's got the works. Sure, it takes some getting used to, and honestly, it's more than some businesses need. But for serious marketing automation, ClickFunnels runs away with this one. Let's jump into membership and course features. ThriveCart lets you hook into your favorite course platform, Teachable, Thinkific, whatever, and automates who gets access when they pay. But if you're hoping to actually build your course or membership site right there, yeah, not really what ThriveCart does. ClickFunnels, though, has a membership site builder right inside. You can gate content, deliver lessons, run the whole course setup without leaving. Now, some advanced features are locked behind those higher plans, but still, ClickFunnels definitely takes this category. How about ease of use? Honestly, ThriveCart is kind of a breath of fresh air here. It's really straightforward, super fast to set up, and doesn't bog you down in options. If you want advanced, super customized funnels though, there are limits. ClickFunnels does have a slick visual editor and tons of templates, but with all those features, man, the learning curve can be rough for newbies. Simplicity wins this round, ThriveCart all the way. Now onto conversion optimization, which is actually where a lot of you probably care the most about results. ThriveCart is ruthless here. The whole platform is just designed to get people through checkout with as little friction as possible. You get less room for pre-sale funnel stuff, but if all you want is to get paid, you'll love it. ClickFunnels is awesome for these big, complex flows, lead capture all the way to sales, A/B testing out the wazoo, but with all those extra steps, sometimes your conversions take a hit. More layers, more chances for people to bail. Another close one, but ThriveCart just edges it out if conversions are your main thing. Lastly, community and support. With ThriveCart, you get the basics, regular updates, tech support, but the community itself is honestly pretty small. ClickFunnels, though, the user community is massive. Tons of tutorials, training everywhere, third-party experts, basically you'll never feel alone. Now, some folks do complain about the official support speed, but you can almost always find help in the groups. ClickFunnels is the clear winner here. Alright, let's pull back for a sec and look at the radar chart. You can really see here how ThriveCart dominates on price, simplicity, and conversions, while ClickFunnels just kills it with advanced funnels, automation, memberships, and their community. So it's not just about who gets the highest score overall, it's about which strengths match your business best. So here's my honest opinion. If you want a checkout system that's simple, stupidly effective, and saves you cash over time, just go with ThriveCart. But if you need a complete funnel-building powerhouse, membership sites, advanced automations, and you don't mind paying that monthly bill, ClickFunnels is legit hard to beat. Basically, do you want streamlined sales, or all the bells and whistles with a bit more complexity? If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.